jugar muy bien. A mí me gusta jugar fútbol.
¿Y qué más?
A mí me gusta jugar muchas cosas.
Mucho gusto. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Wonderful. What's your name?
My name is Yvette, and I am a coach for Branchbrook Elementary School, the best school in the District of Newark. We have the brightest kids. We have the most tenacious players in one of the greatest cities of this whole country.
How did you like today's day?
It was amazing. It was wonderful seeing all the kids playing around, making sure they have this opportunity in this town is something just amazing. I am so proud to be a Branchbrook parent and be part of this soccer league.
Do you know when we're going to have such an event like today?
Well, another event like today?
Yeah.
Well, the games start next week, so you guys need to come out and see these guys in action. Today was just for you to meet them, but next week you get to see them in action, see them playing, and see what we all volunteers are doing in getting these kids off the streets.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, and guys, come and meet Branchbrook School. You have to come and see what this school is all about. We're making a difference in Newark, Blue Ribbon and beyond.
One last question. Are you a parent?
I am a parent. I have three.
You have children among them?
Yes, I have 3 kids. This is 2 of them. I also have a little baby that is not on the league, but I am a parent of 4 wonderful kids, all born and raised here in Newark.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, kid.
Hello.
How do you like soccer?
I love it. I've been playing for 4 years and I've never not liked it. I love it.
You ever travel around the world for soccer?
No, not really.
You never travel outside New Jersey for soccer?
Oh, yeah.
Where have you been?
Dominican Republic.
How did you like it?
It was hot. The mosquitoes were killing me.
So, did you like it anyway?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Good experience. What's your name?
Alejandro.
Okay, Alejandro. Mucho gusto. Hello.
Hi.
How do you like soccer?
I love it.
How long you been playing?
For almost 2 years.
What's your experience?
I've been playing with my brothers a lot. They've been catching it a lot of times, but I love it because I get to spend time with the family.
Do you advise anyone to play soccer?
Huh?
Who advised you to play soccer?
My mom.
So you advise anyone to play soccer?
My friend Delilah.
Thank you. Hello.
Hi.
How do you like soccer?
I like it because it's so fun and I get to play with my friends and it's
How long you been playing soccer?
3 years.
Okay, thank you. What's your name?
Natalia.
Natalia. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, hi.
Hi.
How do you like soccer?
Very great.
Okay. How long you been playing soccer?
3 years.
Okay. So do you advise any of your friends to play soccer like you?
Yes.
Who do you want to say to invite to come to play soccer? Who?
Alexis, she's my best friend. She left from the school.
Thank you. What's your name?
Norma Francis.
Okay. Thank you so much. Hello, sir. Hello, kid.
Hello.
How do you like soccer?
I love it very much.
How long you been playing soccer?
For the past 7 years.
Oh, 7 years. Have you won any trophy?
Yes, I won 5 first place with the gold medals and then 7 second places.
Have you traveled around? Outside New Jersey for soccer?
I play around. Sometimes I go out of state to play other championship leagues, but it's real fun. Yeah.
What's your name?
Brian Sinisala.
Thank you.